What should the internal temperature of cooked chicken be?
Hello, and welcome to our quick guide on cooking chicken safely. Today, we're focusing on a very important topic. What should the internal temperature of cooked chicken be? It's not just about getting your chicken deliciously tender, it's also about making sure it's safe to eat.
Why is internal temperature important?
When it comes to cooking any meat, but particularly poultry like chicken, knowing the internal temperature is key. Why? Because certain harmful bacteria that can be present in raw chicken are only killed at specific temperatures. If you don't cook your chicken to this temperature, you could be at risk of foodborne illnesses. So, it's vital to ensure that your chicken is cooked thoroughly.
What is the safe internal temperature for chicken?
The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has provided guidelines on safe minimum cooking temperatures for various types of meat. For chicken, whether it's whole, parts, ground, or stuffed, the safe internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit, or 74 degrees Celsius. This temperature must be reached at the thickest part of the chicken.
How to measure the internal temperature?
You can measure the internal temperature by using a food thermometer. Insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the chicken, like the breast or thigh, making sure not to touch bone. The temperature should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. In conclusion, always remember that the internal temperature of cooked chicken should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius to ensure it's safe to eat. This isn't just a chef's recommendation, it's a requirement for your health. So, the next time you're cooking chicken, don't forget your thermometer. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Happy cooking!